I'm going to be recording some videos that answer some interesting networking questions that I find on the internet. Today's question is from Cisco's Learning Network, and for each of these solution videos that I record, I want to show you the configurations behind the answers. That way you can get a more in-depth approach and see exactly how things are configured to answer the questions. So I thought this was an interesting question and one that I run into before. This question is, why can't I ping a directly connected network? And you'll see they have a diagram here and a little bit of an overview of the problem that they're running into. They say that PC1, which is over here, can ping this interface 30.1 on this router. It can ping 30.3 as well, which is this PC up here, and it can ping 10.10.10.2, which is this IP on this router as well. But it can't ping 10.10.10.1. And then the same thing going the other way, PC0 can ping router 1's interface, fast Ethernet 00 interface 192.168.10.1. It can ping 10.10.10.1, but it can't ping 10.10.10.2. So the solution to this, and the question was, why can't I ping a directly connected subnet? Actually, you can ping the directly connected subnet. When you try to ping 10.10.10.1 from PC1, it is going up and it is actually getting there, but it is not coming back because this router doesn't know how to get to 192.168.20.0, because that is not a directly connected network on this router. And the same in the other direction. When you ping 10.10.10.2 from PC0, it gets there, but this router doesn't know how to get back to the 192.168.10.0 network, so it just drops it. So I put together a quick packet tracer lab so we can see in packet tracer what's going on, and try to mimic it a little bit as well. So let's bring this down, and we have everything except the configuration to solve this. So we have the IPs configured on the PCs already, and the IPs on the interfaces. We just don't have the correct routes in the routing tables. So let's start from PC0 and see what we can ping and what we can't. So in the command prompt, it says, if you recall, I didn't write the networks down. Let me pause it and I'll put the networks up real quick. Okay, so I added the networks in here beside the drawing just for a little bit more clarity. One thing that I don't have that he had on his diagram was an IP on each of the switches, which really isn't necessary. You don't need an IP on the switch unless you want to put a management IP, but you definitely don't need one for each network. So let's go ahead and try to replicate what he or she did in the question. Let's see, they could ping the gateway 192.168, and we're coming from PC0 here. We want to ping the gateway first, 10.1, and we can do that. And then we want to ping 10.10.10.1, and we can do that. And then he's saying you can't ping 10.10.10.2, ping 10.10.10.2. So that makes sense. So we need to add a route on this router in order to get, actually we need to add a route. The problem is on router 2 doesn't know how to get back to 192.168.10, the 10.0 network. And you can see that show IP route. It knows how to get to the 10.10.10.0 network, and it knows how to get to the 192.168.20.0 network, but it doesn't know how to get back to the 192.168.10 network. So we'll just add a route to it, IP route to go to 192.168.10.0 network. That's a /24. We need to go to the next hop, which is 10.10.10.1. That should get us back to this PC. So we can try pinging again. Up arrow 10.10.10.2, and we have success this time. And another way to check it is when you're on this router, show IP route, and you can see we have the route now, which is a static route, not a connected route, to get back to 192.168.10.0. So that fixes it halfway. The other one that we need to do is PC1 probably still can't ping this router up here because he doesn't know how to get back to the 20 network. So let's just try to ping 192.168.10.20.1, our gateway. Unreachable. 20.1 is unreachable. Let's see what's going on here. 20.1 is unreachable. Show IP interface brief. 20.1 is up. Can I ping 192.168.20.2? Timeout. There we go. There it came up. So it just took a couple of ARPs. Let's see if we can ping back the other way now. Ping 192.168.20.1. Yep, there it is. Okay, can we ping the 10 network that's on that router? We want to ping 10.10.10.2 to see if we can get here, which they said they could in their question. 20. We pinged that already. 10.10.10.2. We get a reply. Now we should not be able to ping 10.10.10.1. Ping 10.10.10.1, and we cannot. And that's because it's getting here, it just doesn't know how to get back. So if we put the route on here, it should work. Show IP route. We see the 10.10.10 network, 192.168.10 network, but we need a route to IP route to 192.168.20.0. That's a /24. And our next hop is 10.10.10.2. Show IP route. I want to go to 192.168.20.2. I have a route. My next hop is 10.10.10.2. So one final thing, we'll ping it from PC1 and see if it works now. And it does. So that's the answer to their question. And if you go to their question, I'll put a link on it on econfigs.com as well, where this video and a short explanation is posted. But that's the answer, is that you needed the routes in there because technically they aren't directly connected networks. The 20 network is not directly connected to this router, and it doesn't know how to get there. The 10 network is not directly connected to this router, and which means it doesn't know how to get there, which is why we had to add static routes on both of those routers. Okay, send me your questions on Twitter at econfigs, facebook.com, I've got a page, econfigs, or through YouTube, or even on my website, econfigs.com. Thanks.